In this tax syndicate video, I'll be covering the photo and video views in the native DJI Pilot app that affect the user experience while using UAS-Tool. I noticed in the last few videos that I made that the video was not full screen in UAS-Tool. I thought perhaps there was a new setting in the recent release of the UAS-Tool plugin that I was not aware of, but that was not the case. My tax syndicate partner in crime, Mike Lecklider, solved the issue. It had to do with a setting in the DJI Pilot app. I have UAS-Tool fired up right now, and you can see I have these black bars on the side. It doesn't have to be this way. You can have the camera fill this whole area in. So to remove the black bars and to go full screen, we have to close ATAC. So to get out of here, we actually want to quit ATAC. Hit quit. Now we want to go back to the DJI Pilot 2 app. And in the right here, you have this little square we're going to click. And this gives you the opportunity to go between photo and video. We want to switch to video. Now we can close out of here, close the DJI app, and launch ATAC back. Click on UAS-Tool. We'll go full screen, and now you can see I've got full screen now video from the UAS. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.